What's up guys, in this video, I review the camera of the iPhone 4S. In 2011, the iPhone 4S is said to be the best camera phone, but let's see how it performs now. The iPhone 4S comes with an 8-megapixel f2.4 camera, and this camera can record 1080p Full HD videos in 30 fps. Next to the camera, we have the LED flash. This is not a fancy True Tone flash, but a simple single LED flash. Its back illuminated sensor is made by Sony. The front camera is 0.3 megapixel, means it is a VGA camera, and this camera can record videos in 480p resolution. This is what the camera interface of the iPhone 4S looks like. In the iPhone 4S, you get 5 different modes, which are time-lapse, video, photo, square photo, and panorama. The camera shutter button is in the middle. On the right side of this button is the option of live filters, and on the left side is the option to view photos. Square photos are used in apps like Instagram. On the top, we have 4 options, which are flash, you can set the flash on, off, or auto. Then we have HDR, high dynamic range photos, then there is a timer, you can set a timer of 3 seconds or 10 seconds, and the last one is to switch between cameras. Now I am going to show you some photos which are captured using an iPhone 4S. If the lighting is good enough, then it can take pretty decent photos. The colors are not very vibrant, they are on the natural side, but some people really like natural colors. But if you take photos at night, the photos come quite noisy, and the details in the photos are also less. This is not a major problem because today's mid-range phones are also stuck on the same. Because it has a small aperture, the depth of field is not that great. I took this photo from the front camera, and its front camera is just terrible. It lacks details and sharpness. The front camera of the iPhone 4S is now only suitable for things like video calling. The iPhone 4S has an autofocus feature, so it automatically focuses on the subject. If it is unable to focus, then you can tap on the screen to focus. It comes with face detection, which works up to 10 faces simultaneously. In face detection, the exposure of faces is set automatically. You can zoom in or zoom out by pinching your fingers on the screen, and if you hold your finger for 2 seconds, then it locks focus and exposure. The iPhone 4S has an advanced hybrid infrared filter, due to which the colors in the photos come quite accurate and uniform. Talking about videos, this camera can record videos in 1080p Full HD resolution at 30 frames per second. I used to shoot my YouTube videos using the iPhone 4S. While shooting videos, it does some kind of video image stabilization to reduce shakiness in the videos. If you have a problem with storage, then you can also shoot videos in 720p resolution. It continuously does autofocus in videos. You cannot take photos while shooting videos on iPhone 4S, you get this feature only in iPhone 5 and above. If I talk about settings, then in the settings you get the option of the grid, which helps you to take straight photos. The speed of clicking the photos is still acceptable, but it cannot take burst photos. Sometimes you will find the shutter lag in it, that is, after tapping the camera button, it takes photos after 1 or 2 seconds, but it is quite minimal. You can open the camera of the iPhone 4S in 3 different ways. The first step is, there is a camera button in the bottom right corner of the lock screen, simply slide it up. The second way is to go to the control center and tap on the camera icon, or you can directly tap on the camera icon in the home screen. The camera of the iPhone 4S had improved a lot when you compared it to the iPhone 4. It has a 5 precision element lens which makes the images sharper. In the end, thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm